Mayor Tiffany Henyard of Dolton is grappling with an escalating legal battle as Samysha Williams, a former trustee candidate, files a defamation lawsuit against her. This lawsuit adds to the mounting legal challenges Mayor Henyard and the town of Dolton are currently facing, bringing the total to 34, with one substantial claim amounting to $33 million. In the recently filed complaint in Cook County Circuit Court on February 20, 2024, Williams accuses Mayor Henyard, along with her campaign committee, Friends of Tiffany Henyard, and Jerry Genova, of defamation, slander, and libel. The lawsuit alleges that Mayor Henyard, through campaign filings, defamed Williams by falsely asserting that she had defrauded the village during her employment. Williams, who held various positions in Dolton from July 10, 2019, to August 3, 2022, including Code Enforcement Officer and Director of the village's Building Department, claims she was wrongly terminated during a family leave under the Family and Medical Leave Act in June 2022. Following her termination, Williams launched a campaign for the village trustee position in the February 28, 2023, primary election. The defamation lawsuit seeks damages in excess of $50,000, adding to the financial strain on Mayor Henyard and her campaign committee. With over 33 lawsuits already looming over the mayor and the town, legal experts suggest that the $33 million claim could be particularly challenging for the defendants. As the legal battles intensify, there are growing calls for Mayor Henyard to step down from her position. However, amid the controversy, she has launched a new podcast, raising eyebrows as she appears focused on revealing either the town's alleged corruption or her own secrets. The podcast launch comes at a time when the town is grappling with numerous legal challenges, leading to increased scrutiny on Mayor Henyard's leadership. The unfolding drama in Dolton continues to captivate the public's attention, as residents await the outcomes of the lawsuits and wonder about the potential revelations in Mayor Henyard's upcoming podcast episodes. Like and subscribe.
Over $7 million in debt in the Village of Dolton.
The board hasn't received the credit card statements in 6 months.
As we've been repeatedly asking for information that's been documented time and again about credit card statements. We haven't received credit card statements in 6 months. We haven't gotten the electronic warrant list, but yet we're supposed to vote on it.
Legal chaos unleashed, Samysha Williams joins lawsuit festivities against Mayor Henyard, Keith Freeman, and Village of Dolton. In a bizarre legal spectacle, the Village of Dolton finds itself entangled in a web of lawsuits involving key figures, including Mayor Tiffany Henyard, Keith Freeman, and the latest addition to the courtroom drama, Samysha Williams. The legal circus began when Rucker Holdings, Inc. initiated a lawsuit against the Village of Dolton, Mayor Henyard, Freeman, and Williams, citing a violation of civil rights under 42 U.S.C. Section 1981. The nature of the suit suggests a tangled mess of accusations and counter-accusations, turning the courtroom into a battlefield for legal wits. Recent court filings reveal the defendant's unopposed motion for an extension of time to respond to the complaint, highlighting the gravity of the situation. The motion, filed on June 3, 2022, suggests that the accused quartet, including Williams, is scrambling to prepare their defense strategy. Interestingly, the parties involved have failed to comply with the court's orders, prompting a stern reminder from the Honorable John Z. Lee. The court has provided a last chance for the filing of a joint status report, setting a new deadline of July 6, 2022. The status hearing, initially scheduled for June 10, has been reset to July 12, adding another layer of suspense to this legal roller coaster. Adding spice to the legal drama is the fact that Samysha Williams herself is no stranger to lawsuits. Williams has filed a separate lawsuit against Mayor Henyard and Keith Freeman, creating a peculiar situation where the accused are also accusers. Legal analysts are scratching their heads, trying to decipher the intricacies of this legal chess game. Is it a power struggle? A battle for supremacy? Or perhaps an avant-garde performance of legal theatrics? In the midst of this legal frenzy, one cannot help but wonder, what role did Samysha Williams play in pushing Rucker Holdings, Inc. to take legal action against her and her cohorts? Is this a strategic move or a mere consequence of the tangled web of relationships in Dolton's political landscape? As the courtroom drama unfolds, it's becoming increasingly clear that the Village of Dolton has become the stage for a legal soap opera, with each filing and motion adding a new twist to the plot. Stay tuned as we eagerly await the next episode of Lawsuits and Allegations, Dolton Edition, where the only certainty is the uncertainty of the legal roller coaster ride ahead.